All right, so you guys know how it goes. You upload a stunt video or some crazy challenge content to YouTube, and 5 minutes later, you're sweating bullets wondering if algorithm reviewers are going to flag it, slap you with a restriction, or tank your reach because they think kids are going to try jumping off things in their backyards. I mean, we've all seen channels get squeezed or hit with sudden strikes just because a high risk video didn't have crystal clear guardrails right up front. So instead of stressing every single time I edit a wild challenge or rule breaking concept, I built something to fix it once and for all. Right here on my screen, this is the Stunt Safety Disclaimer Kit. It's a clean, dedicated Python desktop utility designed to instantly spin up bulletproof, highly specific disclaimers tailored right to whatever stunt or challenge you are filming. No more digging through old text files, no more guessing if your warning covers your bases, and no more leaving your channel exposed to liability or policy hits. Let me walk you through how it works in real time. We are going to jump right into the interface and run a live test using realistic inputs that you would actually use for a creator channel. So come over here to the input fields. Right here, I am typing Casey builds it into stunt, rule break type. That sets the core context for what kind of production we're looking at. Next, I am typing YouTube description into placement because that's where this warning block needs to live, so viewers and reviewers see it immediately. And down below in channel art show name optional, I am typing Casey builds it right there. Now, all we have to do is come over and click the main action button, generate disclaimer, give it a second to process and pull everything together. And right here, look at that output streaming into the results panel. Let's look at what the tool just generated for us line by line. Result number 1, -- safety, don't try this disclaimer -- That immediately grabs attention and sets the tone before anyone even clicks play. Result number 2, this video includes stunt, high risk, or challenge content. It is entertainment on Casey Builds. It only and is not a tutorial, endorsement, or instruction to copy. That protects your educational or entertainment standing right out of the gate. Result number 3, do not attempt what you see. You could be seriously injured or worse. Straight to the point, zero ambiguity. Result number 4, any risky action shown was done with awareness of hazards and where applicable, experience, controls, or closed conditions. That does not make it safe for you. Result number 5, not intended for children to imitate. Parents and guardians supervise and do not allow copycat attempts. And result number 6, if you came for tips on doing this yourself, stop. Watch for fun. Don't recreate it. That is an entire legal and community guidelines safety block generated in about 2 seconds. Below those lines, you've got quick action buttons right on the interface, copy all, copy disclaimer, export TXT, and clear, making it dead simple to drop this straight into your video description template or publishing workflow, and then right before it finishes settling, you see that live status indicator at the bottom, writing with Gemini. That's right. If you've got your Gemini integration hooked up, it can take these core safety pillars and polish them with AI-first precision, giving you fresh variations without losing a single ounce of your core protection. Why does this matter so much for creators? Because when you're pushing boundaries on YouTube, whether you're testing crazy DIY gear, doing outdoor challenges, or filming high-energy stunt concepts, platforms want absolute clarity. They want to know you aren't encouraging copycats, and they want your audience warned before the action even starts. Doing that manually every single video is a massive chore. Having a dedicated desktop app that spits out professional, ironclad safety copy in one click completely changes your publishing pipeline. This is a small Python desktop app. I built it in Cursor, using Cursor AI to draft the T-key enter layout and wire up the generation logic. And the best part is you don't have to code it yourself. On CaseyBuildsIt.com, you can grab this entire kit from files or free tools. Just open it on your computer and run it locally whenever you need it. Plus, you get the exact build prompt right along with it, so you can open it up in Cursor or whatever AI you use and customize the disclaimer, templates, add new rule break categories, or tweak the styling however you want. Head over to CaseyBuildsIt.com right now, grab your copy of the Stunt Safety Disclaimer Kit, and let's keep your channel safe while you build awesome stuff. I'll see you in the next one.